For Uber drivers seeking a flexible short-term rental with unlimited miles, Zipcar is a great option. Let's discuss. So Zipcar is the world's leading car sharing network and has been in business for 25 years. And their Zipcar for Uber program provides daily rentals to Uber drivers and is tailored specifically for RideShare and Uber Eats drivers. And unlike other programs that require week or even month-long commitments, Zipcar is one of the only options available that offers daily rentals with unlimited miles while driving for Uber. And Zipcar for Uber is currently available in 16 major US cities. And as far as the cost, a weekday daily rental rate excluding taxes and fees is $90, and the weekend rate is $104. And again, with that daily rental, you have no mileage restrictions, you have unlimited miles. And all of the electric vehicles come with free charging, but they do not cover fuel costs. So if you rent an electric vehicle, all of that charging will be free. You'll actually have a card that's placed in the visor that you'll actually use to pay for that charging. But if you rent a hybrid or an internal combustion vehicle, you'll have to pay for the fuel. So this is a really flexible rental option for driving Uber. If you want to just try an EV for a day, you don't have a long-term commitment, you can try it for just one single day, and that charging is covered. You don't have to pay for the charging. Now, as far as actually renting the vehicles, they have a self-service app. It allows you to skip going to a rental counter or meeting with anyone in person. Instead, you can just book directly from your phone, and they have 24/7 access, so you can see if a car is available nearby anytime. And the Zipcars are conveniently located in and around cities and public transportation. Some additional benefits and perks: they have 24/7 roadside assistance, they have insurance coverage with a $1,000 deductible, these are professionally maintained vehicles, and they also have the appropriate permitting for Uber use. Now, as far as the sign-up process, we do have a sign-up link in the description, and if you use the Rakuten plugin, you can get an additional $5 off your rental. And new Rakuten users will get a $40 bonus, so you could get $45 off your initial rental. After signing up, you'll then go through the onboarding process. First thing you'll do is select which market you're in, then you'll upload your driver's license and a photo of your face, and once those are approved, then you can add a form of payment. Once you sign up, you can then search for available Uber rentals in your area. And again, they have a number of EV rentals in select cities that all come with free charging. And an example of the total cost for a rental: to rent a Chevy Bolt in Los Angeles, it's $98.56 with taxes and fees. Alright, so overall, this is a solid option for someone that would just like to maybe try an electric vehicle rental for just one day, especially if you use that Rakuten plugin and sign up for Rakuten. You could literally almost get 50% off your initial rental. Or if you're ever in a bind with your vehicle, say it's in the shop for a few days and you do want to drive for Uber, you do have this Zipcar for Uber option. And again, this is a flexible option. If you're looking for a long-term rental, this is probably not the option for you, and there are other alternative long-term options that you can look into. Also, in order to rent with Zipcar, you do need to be at least 25 years or older, and you can't use Zipcar for Uber for personal driving, since it is specifically for Uber driving purposes only. So again, this is a nice flexible rental option for Uber drivers. And again, if you just want to try an EV for one day, you could use that Rakuten plugin and get $45 off your initial rental. But what do all of you think? Leave a comment below and let us know. If you've yet to download the Solo app to help you manage your rideshare business and earn more, our referral link is in the description. We also have a free newsletter, and the link to sign up for that is in the description as well. Thanks again for watching, and drive safe. Thanks.